Okay, here comes the Fiestas. Skadadoosh!
There you go.
Happy New Year! Bam! So, the folks over at Fiesta Fivers sent over this package. I have never tried one of these, but it looked kind of awesome in the video. I figured this would be the perfect way to start off the new year. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started.
Word.
Wing. Yeah. No, it goes like this. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
I don't know what's going on
It's
here.
empty. Try again. Take 2. 3, 2, 1. Whee!
Confetti. There we go.
This
it
is
is confetti.
gonna be a mess. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. So now the goal is to put these around an iPhone, and then when they impact the ground, hopefully we have confetti shooting out.
I dig it. I dig it.
Let's load them up and strap them to an iPhone. Brand new iPhone 10. Wow. It's done, guys. Ow, oh, ow. I couldn't get through this without burning myself once. No. Okay, so we have 19 Fiesta Fivers on here. How many Fiesta Fivers will explode? And will the iPhone 10 survive?
Maybe? I doubt it.
I think yes.
I think that if it hits on this side, 8 of them are gonna pop. 11.
You're going 11.
11.
All right, 11, 7, and I think the iPhone will survive. Goes for me in the top right. Here we go. Let's head on up the ladder to the roof and drop test this bad boy. 3, 2, 1. Ho 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 ho! Oh boy, that's a lot of confetti. And you can see different trajectories, like you can tell like one shot out this way, one shot out this way, one shot out this way, one shot out that way, one shot out this way. And another one bounced and shot out over there. So let's check out the slow-mo. Okay, here comes the Fiestas. Skadadoosh!
There you go.
It's popping out everywhere.
Dude, I gotta say, that case basically looks like it was made out of like an 80s anime. Like Capsule Corp made this.
80s anime incarnate. Well, happy
cool.
New Year, everybody. That was awesome. Holy crap. And you could, I didn't even realize there was long spaghetti ones. Like the spaghetti ones are just shooting off everywhere. Oh, here comes the second bounce. Let's see what happens. Gadoosh, doosh. And we got one more to go off.
Man, I gotta say, like, the phone might actually have a pretty good chance of having survived that, actually.
I think so. All right, let's go see how many confettis exploded and if the iPhone's okay. All right, this one exploded. One more exploded. 3 exploded. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, there was one down here. 18 of the 19 exploded. How about that? Okay, and it looks like the iPhone is not cracked as far as I can tell.
Take a look at the backside.
Oh yeah, we're doing okay.
Oh,
is it working? And it's working. So there you have it. There's the Fiesta Fivers. Link in the description if you want to pick up some of these. They're kind of awesome if you don't mind the mess. Shout out to Fiesta Fivers, shout out to this iPhone 10, and shout out to all of you guys that subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. And if you enjoyed this video and you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I'm also going to post the winners of the previous giveaways for the holiday giveaway and the Christmas gift card giveaway in case you missed it when I posted it on Twitter. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time. Brandon, out. Whee!